Hi everyone, it's the Makeup Jeannie, and today I am going over, back up, I did not fix my hair again. I just had it pulled back just to do the makeup look, and I apologize. I swear one of these days I will get my hair done, or not get it done, I'll do it, but yeah. Alright, this is the, I went ahead and opened it. This is the Slay Glam box, and I'm confused. I don't know if this is for May or if this is for June, because I received one in May, but then I also received this one the second or last week of May. I just hadn't opened it till now. But I will go over what's in here. First off is a Lumineral bronzer powder. Looks really pretty. It's called Golden Copper. It is by Kaylin Cosmetics. It's kind of a brownish, it's got a pinky undertone to me. So I don't know how well it's showing there. So I'm okay. I'm not going to redo though the Slay Glam box, because I did 3 months and I like the products. I mean, they're good products, don't get me wrong. I just feel like for the price I could buy all these products for less than that, because when I priced it, that's how it is. Next is the Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. And this one is really pretty. I'm not going to swatch just in case I decide not to keep it. It's got some, I mean, just really, really pretty colors. And what you saw there was kind of true to color for what I'm looking at here. So, there's a little card in here, and I did keep it with the bag this time, because a lot of times I take it out and look at it later. So, okay, the bronzer says that it's a $33 value, so we can check that out. The Beauty Creation Seduce Me eyeshadow palette is $14.99. Next in here is a Kaylin 4-in-1 eye brush, $22. You take the little ends off and you can switch them around for however you want it. That one's already messed up. And then same way on this end, you've got a eyeliner, and then almost like a little packing brush type thing on the end. So it's cute. I just don't know that I would use that. And again, that was $22. Okay, down here is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream, and this is in the color, if I can find it, if I can read it, Red Escape. It's a play on risque, I guess. Red Escape. So it's pretty. Again, I'm not going to swatch this because I really don't think that that is my color. But I may decide to go in and swatch and stuff. We'll see. Because I love everything I get, and I love to use everything I get, but things just aren't always right for me in these beauty boxes. That is, claims it's $45 on here. And I did not go and look these up this time, but it's just the same brands that it was last bag that I got, just different products, and so I know what they are. Okay, then this one is a Bella Pierre Kiss Proof Lip Finish. And this one is, it must be a set because, oh, it does, it says kit. So you get the 2 for $45. No, I lied. There's 3 because I did see the lip brush. So you get 3 items for $45. You get a clear, a metallic, and then a liner. Okay, this last product is by Bang Beauty. It's a brow cream and it's supposed to be $22. I've already contacted the owner of Slay Glam Box, but she has not gotten back to me. But I will show you this. It does have little brushes in the little, fell out. It's in the package. Okay, first off I got it and I'm like, that's empty. There's absolutely nothing in here. But then when I took the lid off, there is stuff in there. I don't know if that's going to show. Yes, it does. It is dried up and cracked. So I haven't heard back from her yet because I don't think that's how this is supposed to be. So I would hope that, I mean, obviously you can tell that that's nothing that I did to the product. I mean, that is just dried up and cracked. So hopefully she has good customer service and she will get back to me and rectify the situation. And I mean, and if she doesn't, it's okay because I've already decided I was going to cancel anyway. Not because of that, but because, I don't know, I'm just not real crazy with the products I've gotten out of it. Excuse me, my nose is running, I'm sorry. So anyway, let me know what you think about the Slay Glam Box. It's good. I love the products. Like I said, I may do a swatching video with that palette, and I may go ahead and keep the lipsticks. Who knows, once I put them on, they may be my color. Just looking at it though, I'm not. And this is so much brighter on the camera than it is in real. Although it's pretty bright, pretty intense. Pink, orange, and yellow. And then I did yellow eyeliner and then slightly pink eyeliner in the corners. This look was created using my concrete minerals. I used 3 different, well, technically I used 4. I used 3 of the mattes though. I used Hi-Fi, Risque, things are falling in here again, and Flame. So that is the colors I used. And then the glitter that's in the outer corners is Essence Moon Glitter. It's really pretty. And then I also used a tiny bit of one of the concrete minerals called White Rabbit up here. But I also went over, or first before I put the White Rabbit, I went in with, I don't even know if they still make this, so y'all can just shoot me now. Because this is an extremely old item that I have. But it's by Jeannie, which is still a company. And this is the color Pink Smoke. It's really, really pretty. Let's see. I've got stuff on. Let's see if I can. I don't even know if you can really see it because it kind of blends in with my skin. Let me do it over here on this. Yeah, I mean, you just really can't see it. That's why I like it really well. And I haven't really used it that much. I received there's a whole set of them. I think there's 4 or 5 shadows, and then I got a bunch of brushes and stuff with it as a gift from my cousin one time. And they are gorgeous. And the brushes, you do see me use the brushes almost in every one of my videos, because I've never found a lip brush that compares to their lip brush. The shadow or shader brush is I'm not going to say how old they are, but I will say that my 2 sons have already graduated. My youngest one just graduated this year. He wasn't born yet, I don't think, when I received those. But those brushes are just like brand new. So that's mega kudos to the Jeannie company, because, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Iredale. It's I-R-E. I-R-E-D-A-L-E. Iredale Minerals. So that's it. I just wanted a little bit on the look there. Jeffree Star. I think it's the watermelon. It's the bullet one. But that's all I have today. Like I said, let me know on that Slay Glam box if you think I should keep getting it. I have one more coming because I've only received 2 and I paid for 3 up front. So I have one more coming. That third one will determine for sure whether or not I keep it going or anything. But other than that, that's all I had for you today. By the time this video's up, my 1,000 subscriber video there, I don't know what's on my face. The 1,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway may be over. It may not. I'm not quite at 1,000. I think upon last look, I was like less than, I think I was 7 away. And then when I looked, I think I was 3 away or 4 away. And I haven't looked today at all, but I haven't got any notification of any new subscribers that I know of, but I don't always get them. I didn't receive any notifications for 2 months on my phone from anybody. And I didn't realize somehow every notification on my phone got turned off. So I missed any text messages that came through. And then a little bit later I would be looking like, why does it say I have 15 text messages? So, I was born blonde. It's gotten darker. It got darker the older I got. And then I ended up going the platinum. This one is not quite platinum. And I didn't put any rinse in it when I washed it this morning. So it's a little more blondie looking than that white platinum that it was. I had little cat ears on and then I switched it. So enough rambling. I'm so crazy. Anyway, you have a great evening, a great day, great morning, great whatever it is for you. I love everyone out there. Hugs to you, and see you later.